Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the battery health condition of your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, you have to open the control center by clicking right here. Then click Settings icon. Scroll down to About Chrome OS section on the sidebar and open it. Then go to Diagnostics. And in System Diagnostics, you'll be able to check your battery health condition. We can check the battery capacity here, the cycle count of the PC, and the current charging or discharging rate. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.